Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or be discussing with you Affirm Debit Card Explain. But first, check your special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want the flexibility of splitting up large purchases without the temptation of a traditional credit card, well, the Affirm debit card is a really cool hybrid tool here. Now, it is a standard Visa debit card that blends everyday banking with pay over time installment options, giving you total control over how you handle your cash flow. Now, when you use it for, let's just say, smaller daily expenses, it behaves like any ordinary debit card, as long as your checking account is linked. Now, the full amount is simply withdrawn from your bank within a few days. Now, the real magic happens with larger purchases, like, let's just say, over $50. Now, for those eligible items, you can hop into the app and request to split the total into bi-weekly or monthly payments. Now, you can set this plan up right before you walk up the register, or you can retroactively split the bill up to 24 hours after checking out. Now, if you happen to link to an Affirm Money account here, the post-purchase cushion even expands to like 48 hours. Now, what makes it consumer friendly is that everything is completely transparent. Now, you see the exact total upfront, and you never have to worry about late fees or compounding interest traps. Now, depending on your credit worthiness and the size of the purchase, plans are either interest-free or carry a simple interest charge. Now, usually to qualify here, you just need to be a US resident or like over 18 and also over 18 with a social security number and a healthy credit profile. Now, just keep in mind that it doesn't support ATM withdrawals or cashback at the register, and it won't directly build your credit score. Now, it's simply a fantastic low-risk way to smooth out your budget without accumulating classic credit card debt. But in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video, don't forget to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.